Hello friends, Om Namah Shivaya. Hello friends, I hope that all of you would be enjoying good time and sound health in your homes. Today I have come again to have some knowledge or discussion on psoriasis. I mostly heard that psoriasis is not a curable disease, but I will today tell you how it can be cured. Psoriasis is a skin disease in which there are red scaly patches over the body, and these are covered by the white silvery patches around it. It can occur on knuckles or knee joint or elbows, or it can be on back or anywhere on the body. This disease first occurs in the teenage, and it can take place on nails, toenails, fingernails, and the color of the nails becomes brown, and sometimes nails are cracked or lifted from the fingers. In the beginning, when there are red spots and small, red in color, and these patches are covered by a silvery layer, and if it is left untreated, after a year or so, these turn into black and skin becomes so hard, like the skin of a elephant. Before I tell you how to cure this psoriasis, it is necessary to tell you about the types of psoriasis. There are 4 types of psoriasis. Number 1 is the plaque psoriasis. In plaque psoriasis, there are rounded and oval patches over the body. It can be on the elbows, knees, or buttocks, and it can be on the back also, or near the scapula, etc. And second is the inverse psoriasis. Inverse psoriasis occurs on the creases of the body, like groin, underarms, under the breast or genital organ, etc. Then there is a guttic psoriasis, which occurs in a teenage, when one is recovered from the throat infection or upper respiratory infection. And fourth one is a pustular psoriasis, in which the skin patches are covered with the small pimples or pustulas. Psoriasis is a autoimmune disease, and it is not infectious, or it is not contagious. In Ayurveda, it is the result of consuming incompatible or non-compatible things, foods, like fruits and milk, radish with milk, fish with milk, pineapple with the milk, which in turn builds up the toxins in the body, and the 3 energies of the body are disturbed, and fire is created, and which in turn gives the skin disease. As it is said that it is not curable, but I will tell you that in the last 26 years of my practical experience of Ayurveda, I treated and cured 6 patients, out of which 5 were totally treated and cured. They never complained about this disease in the last about 10 years. And the last patient was who treated was for 35 years of lady, which left the treatment in between after taking medicine for 3 months, and she discontinued and never turned back. In my experience, I used the herbs or the medicines, I will tell you. I used to give them the Gandak Rasayan, then Rasmanik, Panchnim Badi Churan, Prabal Pishti, Mukta Pishti, Swarn Makshik Bhasam, and Jasad Bhasam in the form of morning dose and evening dose with Panchatikta Grit and honey. And after that, I used to give them tablets, that is Kachnar Gukal, Kashore Gukal, Amrita Gukal, and Mahamanjishtadi Ghanvati and Sarivadi Vati. These 5 tablets were given before lunch and dinner, and followed by Kada of Giloe, Trifla, Manjishta, Sariva, then Gokhru and Mulati, then these were the items with which this kada was made, or decoction of these herbs was made. And after that, after lunch or dinner, I used to give them Chop Chini Adi Churan mixed with Sarv Doshantak. And this was given with the Mahamanjishtadi Kwat 2 spoon and Sarivadi Asav 2 spoon. Besides these, they were restricted to take the hot spices or these dry fruits. These all were restricted. And there were also emulsion made with Kabila, Jasad Bhasam, Tankanshar, Safatika Bhasam, then talcum powder, calamine powder. These 6 things were mixed together, and then they were added to the Panchatikta Grit to make the emulsion for applying over the patches of this psoriasis. But if these things are not manageable by the patient, then there are prepared medicines available in the market, which I told you, that's Mukta Pishti, all that. And the emulsion, if you can't make, then triple salmon oil and Soria oil. Both are available in the market and can be applied over the skin. And after applying these oils or emulsion, patient has to be made sit in the sun rays for 15 to 20 minutes so that this emulsion is absorbed in the body or in the patches, and it can be cured. This is the total treatment I told you. And if one is suffering from this disease, or you are known to is suffering from this disease, This whole process or whole medicines can be told to them or can be guided to watch this video and do the treatment. And beside this, there are pranayam like Anulom Vilom and Brahmari and Shitali pranayam. These should be done so that the fire of the body, means Agni of the body, is reduced and one can get cure. I will tell you that if one is suffering from the disease, before starting these medicines, if he takes Vaman and Virachan, so that his stomach is cleaned and medicines become effective. For this, you can take Tripla at night, so stomach is cleaned. Vaman can be done by taking few days oil or ghee at night with milk, and after taking for 1 week, then you go for the Vaman. Or you can take milk with mulathi, excessive mulathi, Vaman can be done with that. This is the whole process I told you, and I hope you must take advantage of this treatment or help your nears and dears who are suffering from this disease. Thank you very much, and I pray God that you stay happy, healthy, and live long life. Thank you very much.